Hi guys, this is Mr. Z and I'm going to solve SAT math questions for this channel. Let's get started. Question 1. X divided by x minus 3 is equal to 2x over 2. Which of the following represents all the possible values x that satisfies the equation above? Okay, there are lots of ways that you can solve this question, guys. I would like to try to solve this question by simplifying in the first step. So 2 and 2 simplified here. So what I'm going to have, like x divided by x minus 3 is going to be equal to x over 1. Okay, so, or you can just write x, it doesn't matter. So x times 1 is equal to x. X times x minus 3, x times 1 is equal to x, which is equal to x times x minus 3. So x is equal to x times x, x squared, x times 3, 3x minus 3x. Okay, so we can, guys, combine all the terms on the same side. So x goes to the other side and becomes negative x. X squared minus 3x minus x is equal to 0. So x squared negative 3x minus x makes 4x, which will be equal to 0. And now we can still continue here. X is the common factor of these two terms. X times x minus 4 is equal to 0. So if the product of two factors is equal to 0, then at least one of the factors is going to be equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or x minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is going to be our first solution, guys. If x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is going to be equal to 4, and this is going to be our second solution. Okay, so x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4. Answer choice B. Next question, question 2. For the next question, we have two different denominators. So to make any operations, to do any operation, guys, we have to make the denominators same. That's why we multiply the second fraction by 2. So 2 times 2, 4. 3x squared times 2 is 6x squared minus 1 over 6x squared. Okay, so let us check the mean question here. Which of the following expression is equivalent to the expression above for x is greater than 0? So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 over 6x squared. All we need to do, we just need to simplify it. Both numerator and denominators are divisible by 3. So once you divide them by 3, 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So 1 over 2x squared, which is D. Next question. Question 3. Question 3. Okay, if 2a divided by b is equal to 1 over 2, what is the value of b over a? Okay, so we can still use, the cross products here. So 2a times 2, which makes 4a, b times 1b. So we can write the b in terms of a in this fraction. So b is equal to 4a. 4a over a makes 4. Correct answer is D. Question 4, our last question. So 1 over 2x plus 1 plus 5, which of the following is equivalent to the expression above for x is greater than 0? Okay, so to do, guys, addition here, we just multiply the 5 by this denominator and add it to the numerator. Okay, so 1 plus 5 times 2x plus 1 divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, so 1 plus 5 times 2x, 10x. 5 times 1, 5, divided by 2x plus 1. Okay, so we just combine the like terms. We have 10x plus 1 plus 5 is 6, divided by 2x plus 1. That's it. This is the final answer. We cannot simplify it anymore. So the correct answer is answer choice B. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.